What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to show you something that I recently added to my collection, and that is my Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow. Actually, this product is new to me. I have never tried anything from Stila, so many of you who already used it and you love it, let me know on the comment section what are your favorites from the brand, of course. And before we get started, please subscribe and hit the notification bell because something exciting is always coming up and you do not want to miss that, right? So let's do that, and then let's get started. I'm very excited to try this on along with a beautiful cool foxy liner, and that is going to be my Friday look. So let's go get started. Okay, my friends, so the base is set. Most of the products are the products that I used from my favorites video, and that is my last video. And if you did not check that video, please go and check that video after you watch this video because those are my pretty beautiful June favorites. So now I'm going to give you the swatch first, and then I will put it on my eyes because I just want that punch. So this is a beautiful mauve shade, and I like it because it's so stunning, smooth, silky, and the color is so soft. I just did not expect this quality because I never tried anything from the brand. Now I'm really impressed, and the way it goes on my lid, that's amazing. So I've got the base set, and now a little bit of, well, with the bare brush, I'm just evening things out here. I'm in a creative mood today and I just want to create something fun. Look at that. It's a very smart way to just add light back and create a beautiful dazzling look. It's my at ease product. I'm really liking these kind of products in summer days, and most of the time I see that during the holiday time, Christmas time, everyone starts using this product. So I just thought that let me add now because it's a summer kind of beautiful soft shade. How silky and how smooth it is. Would be nice on the lips too. And it is very cooling. I love the sensation. It has got that cooling sensation. Feels like a beautiful crystal effect there, and you can create cut crease if you want, if that's your makeup style. I just love to put it on like that, and I would go for a beautiful liner, and that would be my look for the day. Easy, very easy, and it has got that staying power, and of course it just goes on smoothly, so I don't see any cracks or any skips. So one swipe, or you can just dab a little on your lid and blend it out with anything, any stiff brush or with your fingers, so it will just look beautiful. I can wear it just like that, and I did it and posted a video on Instagram, somaroy.chaudhary. That is my Instagram account. Please follow me there and you will see a couple of cool products and of course nice pictures. So I posted the picture wearing this and just paired it with my favorite mascara, and that was my one and done kind of look, and it stayed for the whole day. So I'm just impressed with the product, and I am actually working on my wish list. There are a lot of products that was moved to Loves at Sephora Canada's website by me, and now I'm bringing those products and adding them back to my cart and using them here. And there are a lot of products that you already are aware of, and please leave a comment on those products because that's going to be a fun interaction. It just feels super cooling. I am loving the sensation. As if you have some cooling gel on. All the shades are beautiful. I just wanted to go for this one. And I feel if you go for a contrast shade, then you have to blend out the edges a little bit more. But here, I think it is just meshing with my skin tone. So I am not doing anything apart from creating a nice, beautiful eyelid cover with this. Super easy and dazzling. So my friends, that's done. So that is about this product. And now I'm going to go for a cool blue foxy liner. So if you want to see, please stay tuned. And I really want you to see that, because then you will get to see the end result, and that would be something amazing. So for the blue liner, I'm going to use my Viseart Editorial Brights, because we can't stay apart for that long. So I'm coming back to my Viseart Editorial Brights, and I'm going to use this beautiful blue shade, this one, and I'm going to create my cool liner with my mixing medium. This look is going to be very, very summery and beautiful, and I think it's going to be very pretty with this Stila liquid liner, liquid eyeshadow. I'm excited. Especially on Fridays, I just love to wear something which is a little bit on a casual side, and I love it when it comes to foxy liners and graphic liners, colorful liners. They are just right up my alley. So that is the color mixing and matching I'm doing here. And my friends, look at that dazzling blue, and it will go beautiful on top of that dazzling Stila. Did you try the glitter one? Because I just wanted to go for shimmer one for now, and during holiday season I will definitely add something from the glitter side. Most of the time I see that sold out whenever it is around Christmas, so I will plan ahead. So that is going to be the liner. That's my cleanser from Co Beauty, and my brushes love it, and I love the scent of it, the impact of it. And if you are new to that, you may want to check it out, because it's really nice. Even if I'm using my brush with the mixing medium, it just gets everything off the brush, and it is instant cleaning for me. So that is done, and now I just want to concentrate on my liner. So do you guys love foxy liners, or do you like a long thick cat liner, cat eye? So I'm just following that, and there you go. Not going too close to the inner corner, I'm just sticking to this part. And if it is not looking pretty, it's still work in progress. So keep on working on your liner, my friends. You will get there. I just love to wear colorful liners, and that's why Viseart's Editorial Brights, that is my go-to palette all the time. I keep it handy because I can make so many colorful liners out of that palette. Which one is the most colorful palette in your collection if you are a color lover? I mean the bright color lovers. You can let me know. And with the remaining color, little by little, gentle strokes, keeping it thick mostly from the center part, and that way I get to do another thing that I want to do, and that makes it even more impactful. I'm just in a creative mood. Celebrated Canada Day yesterday, some nice food, and my kid was jumping when he saw the fireworks, so that we did. And so many cool deals. I just love to add something, and you will get to know soon in my upcoming videos about those products because I'm waiting for the package to arrive, and I can't tell you how excited I am for that. Yeah, so that is going to be my first round of liner. Yeah, I think I'm going to go a little bit thick on this side, because after that I'm going to do another step. It's going to be a long weekend for my US friends, right? And lots of deals. I've seen Visyart has got 40% off. Oh my god, that's amazing. I haven't checked the website yet. I was busy working on my wish list at Sephora Canada's website, but now I'm going to check that website too. Okay, so that is about the blue liner, and I'm letting it dry for a couple of seconds, and while it is drying I'm going to use my mascara, using my Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Lashes mascara. Loving it, but there is some other mascara that is really calling me, and I may add that one soon. I don't know, I just feel like adding a lot of stuff during summertime, and especially different makeup stuff. I think most of the time during holidays I would be buying gifts for others, but during summertime I think I buy a lot of gifts for myself. I just love summer. Look, it's pretty lengthening, isn't it? Yeah, I'm liking it, but still I did not make up my mind about the mascara, because there is something which is very gorgeous looking, and I really want to get my hands into that one. It's a beautiful day here, not too hot, not too cold. So for the base makeup, I used my Sephora collection Best Skin Ever and Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, the combo of two, and of course my hard candy powder, which is a surprise powder for me, because I never expected that powder would be on my favorites list. I'm just sticking to my mascara today on the lower lash line. It just gives me a nice definition. And my friends, I'm reaching for all the lashes there, okay, because I think it's going to look really pretty with that look. And don't worry about the clumpiness, because once it is all settled, it will look beautiful. Who else loves gardening? What are you growing? I just love to get engaged with all the plants that I have in my garden, and I just love gardening. So many of you who already follow me on Instagram, you may have seen the pictures of it, and it's growing and blooming and everything. So right now everything looks pretty, and I'm going to add a little bit more of my Makeup Forever liquid liner just around the lash line, and it will be a tight lining, and that would make the blue even more impactful. If you can notice both the eyes, this one is going to look a little bit more prominent, and that's the magic of that little step of liner. I like this one because it is a quickly drying matte, absolutely matte black liner from Makeup Forever. Yeah, so if you can notice the difference, because I can, it has got that definition. I'm reaching out for those roots. So that is the defined, beautiful eye look. And on my lips, I'm going to try something which is a combo of these two because this is now becoming my staple and this one is my current favorite. How easy. Now this got shine, of course. It's a beautiful lipstick. It is my all-time favorite. You all know about it. So let's talk about this one. I'm new to this and I'm going to use it on top of this lipstick because I want more shine today, more glow today. Why? Because it's Friday. Let me add a little bit of that on top of this. It is going to plump it up and it is going to lock that beautiful shine that I have from YSL. The more I'm using it, the better I'm feeling about this product from Pat McGrath. The beautiful Astral lip gloss. So that's done, my friend. And now I'm just going to check my makeup. No smudges, nothing. Can't see anything out of order. And now I'm going to have a nice rocking Friday. And what am I going to do? I'm going to spend time with my kid because he is enjoying his summer vacation and he wants my presence all the time because he wants to play a lot of games with me. So on that note, this is going to be an end and we'll meet soon on Monday because I've got something exciting coming up, and for that you just have to press the bell button, click the subscribe button, like, share, and of course leave your thoughts on this video, on these products below. Yeah, and the descriptions are right below down in the box, so you can check all the products there. Of course, if you want to shop through the affiliated link, that is an added bonus for me and that will cheer me up, definitely. But I'm happy anyways because you are here and watching my videos. Thank you so much for being here, and of course your time matters a lot to me, so thank you for spending that time with me and I hope to see you soon. See you.